50% of you will get this question wrong. Which of these dogs is a rescue versus a breeder? This is Divided Opinion. Clue number 1. How they act when we come home. Clue number 2. How they play with each other. Clue number 3. How they act when you ask them to share. Clue number 4. How they sleep. Clue number 5. How they react to a puddle of water. Clue number 6. The state of their chompers. Last but not least, clue number 7. How they act while waiting for food. So, what did you end up guessing? Put your answers in the comments below.